Potential starting lineup for next season with transfer target. Player number 1, position goalkeeper. Player number 2, position right back defender. Player number 3, position left back defender. Player number 4, position center back defender. Player number 5, position center back defender. Player number 6, position midfielder. Player number 7, position midfielder. Player number 8, position midfielder. Player number 9, position attacker. Player number 10, position attacker.